Euro FX futures opened a session cautiously higher in a very tight range. A lot of news flow, with Ukraine seemed to be pressing on the euro ever so slightly. Also, first round of French elections this past Sunday, and second round this coming Sunday. And what does that mean for the country? Also, some hawkish news flow from ECB Governing Council member Knott, who said the ECB is worried about inflation and perhaps raising rates more than 25 basis points in September is in order. That said, mixed data from the Eurozone. June zoo investors' expectations came out a little bit less than expected, and the May CPI was unrevised, which was as expected. Get into the bulk of the US session. EuroFX traded both sides of the flat line, a fairly tight range, opened up with 30-year real yields at a 3-year high, watching stock and bond volatility. We had the PPI came out a little softer than consensus expected, with May final demand less than expected, and ex-food and energy also less than expected, in the smallest rise in 6 months. And so with that, it seemed like it helped lower some inflation expectations in the market, seeing 10-year break-evens drop to a 2.5-week low. Stock market trying to recover from yesterday's losses. Everybody's eyes and ears are on the first conclusion of the first day of the FOMC meeting. Going into options, I'm looking at September, CME Group CVOL, EuroFX 1-month basis trading the 90th percentile. At the money, vols actually are basically flat by the close, although skew is lower as the down variance or put wing is down more than the call wing or up variance. Options volume fairly spread out, seeing it concentrated between the 104 and 105 strikes. Also, the September 106 calls and 103 puts. Lastly, CME Group E-Micro Mini Euro FX futures volume pretty heavy today. Yesterday, we saw a volume of 47,847 with an open interest of 21,716.